My name is V. Sai Srujan from CSC final year. I'm studying in JNTU College of Engineering, Mantini. Cyber intelligence alternative to offset online segmentation by in website image analysis through Carvel cyber forensics. Abstract. Any illegal activities carried out through the usage of internet is a cybercrime. So, in this paper, we discuss about a case study of cybercrime with respect to the culprit organization government of Telangana. So, in they it has that has been reported prevalent during 2011 to 2015 approximate. And interestingly, the crime is registered against the identity through under section 66C under IT Act 2000 to 2008, whereas the complaint was against a sedimentation crime. So the culprit website appropriate 2000 register were obtained for the organization. A snapshot of the culprit website obtained through a web Carvel tools to submit the police substance evidence. The crime is on account of abuse usage of image in the homepage of an aforementioned website. The image usage is nationally abused during 2011 to 2014. So JNTU Academy Environment. The analysis of image impresses us immediately about the sedentariously organized group of peoples by JNTU JSC. An unregistered outfit in the YouTube in the JNTU Academy environment. Introduction. Cybercrime is an illegal act that involves the usage of internet. Cybercrime such as debit card, credit card fraud, hacking, virus attack, denials of services attack, pornography, fake profiles of social media, data dealing, source code, and etc. These are the types of cybercrime. And the crime scenario in the society has been become twofold, both offline and online, with the advances of internet. The image usage is needless to say nationality abusing during 2011 to 14, owing the mentioned government of Telangana. So the image, the homepage of the culprit website is traced by retrieving the website by using an open source cyber forensics web Carvel tools Wayback Machine. So further, the present website homepage is totally redesigned. The uses the message organizer committed crime in the background as shown in the figure 1, and the project itself without the cyber forensics, the same letter of the forensic as shown in the figure 2. And analytic case study to multiple cybercrime is presented a new in pursuit of our defendants of registration against the criminal sedition. ICT and cybercrime. ICT means information and community technology enables the society to create, collect, colonize, communicate, manage and process information in multimedia and various digital forms of different purpose by using telecommunication techniques. ICT has now brought the country's people closer together, but at the same time, the criminals are also allowed to do the vulnerability task. So, cybercrime has become now a big threat in private, professional, and public sector. Moreover, the minions of cybercrime is now entering directly into the home to thieves and frauds. So cybercrime losers are not actually measuring in most of the financial sector accounting to the tapped alternative get the benefits out of it. Due to the various industries are attacked and their money is stolen and information is altered and corrupted. Our research work is with respect to cybercrime involved in the activities of organizing group of JNTUH Telangana by JNTU which has been properly under fake government of Telangana. So JNTU, JNC and JSC in the cybercrime case put together to provide the crime. The stakeholders of the JNTU academic environment should be sentenced about the laws and the basic awareness should be generated to seem such as nationality. So this is the guidelines to the government to the India of the union level as well as to the state level to measure the diffuse of the fake government. So the work depicted the scenario of image analysis from the prejudice that different from the perspectives. The results of cybercrime analytics in the context in the image analytic presented our successness. Educated and led who will touch bear the promotion of the sum among the general public success digital India. Thank you.